So now let's learn how to set up calendar availability, buffers, and confirmation reminders in Shopify.io. So inside your calendar, go to calendar settings and go to availability tab to set your working days and hours. So set buffer time before or after appointments to avoid back-to-back bookings. Okay. So under notification, enable confirmation emails and SMS reminders so that auto sends to the contact before the appointment. So that is how you set up calendar availability.